Bonjour tout le monde, j'espère que vous allez bien. I hope you're doing well. J'espère que vous allez bien. Vous allez. Quite literally means I hope you go well. Have you ever wondered how to conjugate the verb aller or to go? Well, you're not alone, and you're here to learn how to conjugate it. Let's go. The verb of the day, aller, to go. Now, you might be thinking, oh, we already learned how to conjugate the first group of verbs in French and the second, so why bother? But no, this verb is particularly different because it's an exception. Even though it ends in ER, it's not one of the first group verbs, so it doesn't belong to the first group. Tricky, I know, that's so hypocrite of aller, but it is what it is. So we're going to learn how to conjugate it, even though it looks like a verb that basically belongs to the first group, but it doesn't, and it's not the case. So let's go. Let's start with our first pronoun, je. Je vais. Je vais. It doesn't even look like the infinitive form, and that's why it's an exception, as I said before. Par exemple, je vais au restaurant étoilé ce soir. Je vais au restaurant étoilé ce soir. That's Cap, don't believe him. Je vais au restaurant étoilé. Anyways, yep, cut it out. Tu vas au cinéma. Tu vas au cinéma. You go to the cinema. So we have tu vas. Tu vas. Next one. Il, elle va. Il, elle va. Par exemple, il va à la piscine. Il va à la piscine. He goes to the swimming pool. He goes to the swimming pool. So, il va à la piscine. Ou elle va à l'école. She goes to school. Elle va à l'école. Next one. Nous allons, par exemple, nous allons à la classe. Nous allons à la classe. We go to the class. So, repeat after me. Nous allons. It's nasal. Nous allons. The next one. Vous allez. We actually had this in the greetings in my first video. We use aller quite a lot in greeting. For example, vous allez bien. Or just like the first of the video, I said, j'espère que vous allez bien. I hope you're doing well. So vous allez is a pretty common phrase, but now you know how to conjugate the rest of the verb for the other persons. Vous allez. Par exemple, vous allez dans la rue. Vous allez dans la rue. You go to the street. And the last but not least, ils, elles vont, which is quite a shocker because it doesn't even look similar to neither the rest or the verb itself. So, ils, elles vont. It's a common mistake, so make sure you know how to conjugate aller for ils, elles pluriel. Alors, c'est ils vont. Ils vont au restaurant. They go to this restaurant. Elles vont à la place. They, well, a group of women, they go to the square. Elles vont. Hope you enjoyed today's video. If you have any questions, ask me in the comment sections below, and that's pretty much it. À plus. Je vais. Au revoir.